This right here gave me some issues. Hi, and welcome back. Tonight, we'll be talking about the Super Clean giveaway. That'll be tonight towards the end of the video. So for right now, we're gonna try to get the pedals out. I think there's some carter pins and such that we can pull out and it'll drop most of the pedals out. We're gonna mess around with the emergency brake little bracket down there, see if we can't find where the spot weld holes are. I forgot who mentioned it, but they mentioned that that's just tacked on with 4 spot welds. May drill those out and try to save that bracket as well. We're definitely gonna refurbish the emergency brake. I didn't realize that they're kind of hard to find and they're expensive if you can find them. So we'll reuse that for sure. But yeah, mainly we'll be working, trying to clear this area out to have access to the pan completely. That way next week we can start cutting it out. But yeah, stick around towards the end of the video. I'll go over the rules and how we're gonna go about the contest or the giveaway and all that other good stuff. And we'll get it rolling. But let's hop over there and we'll start trying to pull things out. All right, I thought I'd give you a little close up before I put you kind of a little ways back and mess around. But since these pedals are held on with these, and this one has this rod that goes down to the brace or the frame, and then that goes to the transmission to pushing the clutch so you can select your gears. So I had to disconnect this one here and up underneath here. The brake, same way, has a carter pin on the, there's a dirt dauber's nest right there. On the outside here, we'll have to pull that and that should drop that. And the gas pedal, we'll have to probably try to, I think we can pull this part here. But we may go in here and try to take it off from here. But so what I'm gonna be focused on tonight is getting these out and of course grinding this down and seeing what we got here. I'm gonna try to reuse as much stuff as I can. I think we could pop these pedal covers off and blast this and make these look nice again. Maybe try to powder coat them. I didn't get me powder coating gun though. But anyways, I'll set you back here and we'll start messing with them. Well, we got the pedals out. This right here gave me some issues. So it seemed like it only go in one way. Now that I feel it feels pretty smooth all around. But anyway, I had to hit it from this end out in order to drop the pedals. But I'm gonna try to refurbish this stuff. So this has all that matting on it. Anyways, we'll redo this. Could powder coat it too, but we're gonna come back in here, try to take this little bracket off and kind of sand that down. We need to take this rod out. There's a pin on the other side of this. Let me pull out and that should just pop out and come down. And with that out of the way, and this out of the way, we can sand back the nastiness. See exactly where we need to cut for the new pan. Well, I think that'll about do it for me tonight. We got the pedals out. It's the main thing I want to get done tonight. That way we can work on the pan. Anyways, let's talk about the giveaway. Super Clean has allowed me to do a giveaway of their product on my channel. That's what this giveaway is about. I want to wait till I got 300 subscribers. We hit that last week, and Super Clean has provided me the opportunity to do this. They will physically mail you the box, which will be, I think it's one of, let me make sure I don't get this wrong. It'll be one bottle of the original Super Clean, which I assume is this, and then one can of Super Clean Aerosol. And along with that, I'll personally send you a snapback hat, similar to this, but it'll look like the one I wear. It'll have my logo in the left panel. It'll be gray like this with a white mesh. I'll send that to you personally. But the rules: the winner must have a U.S. mailing address, and to enter, you must comment #giveaway in the comments below. There's one entry per person. The winner will be chosen at random. I'm going to use it's called a comment picker type thing. Basically what I'll do is I'll put the video in the program, and it'll pick, see how many unique comments there are, and from that it'll randomly select one of y'all, and whoever it selects is the winner. The giveaway will run from 8 o'clock tonight, 5/14th, 2021, to Saturday at 8 o'clock, 5/15 of 2021. How I'll contact the winner: I'm going to try to do a manual two-factor authentication. Not that I would think anybody would try to, but I've heard in the past that somebody will do a giveaway and then they'll have multiple people saying that they're that person. So what I'm going to do is the winner must email me at adaforge188@gmail.com. Then I'll send a code back to the winner. It could be a unique letter number combination, just something I come up with. And then the winner must edit their winning comment with the with the code at the end of the comment. So, #giveaway, double space, and then put the code I give you in the email in that, so I know that you're the right person that won. And then once the winner is verified, I will email them for their U.S. mailing address, which in turn I'll give to Super Clean, and Super Clean will ship out the giveaway to you. Then I'll ship out the hat for me to you. The prizes, like I said before, will be one box of Super Clean products. It'll be one bottle of original Super Clean, one can of Super Clean Aerosol, and that's to be shipped by Super Clean. And then I will ship a snapback hat with my logo on it. Now come from me. There's no cost to enter. YouTube is not affiliated at all with this giveaway, or doesn't have anything to do with it. It's just strictly between Super Clean and me to you. Hopefully it's just hopefully this all work out, and maybe in the future we can do this again. Hopefully it works out all right. I don't know, but we'll give it a shot. Anyways, I'll put all the rules and stuff in the description below. If you made it this far, thank you again. It does mean a lot to the channel, and it does mean a lot to me. if you like this kind of stuff, this is what we do. It does mean a lot that y'all are taking the time to invest your time and attention and expertise in helping me finish this. Once this is done, I really consider this everybody's Bronco, but I'm gonna be driving it. So if you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday on the Bronco. If you're new to the channel, I have a few other cars that once this is done, we'll bring in. There's Austin Healey back behind the Bronco that needs a full restoration. Camaro could use a full restoration again. And 2 trucks in the back that also need full restoration. So hence the name, Ours Restoration. But anyways, thank you for watching. And hopefully this giveaway goes good and we can do it again. And we'll see how it goes. But I'll see you next time.